2008 GMC Yukon. Steering wheel had play in it. Normally these are the intermediate shaft, but on this one the steering wheel wasn't even moving the shaft out of the bottom when there was play. And how I fixed it was when I took these covers off, I found these little Torx Plus screws here. You see they have detents on them that's supposed to keep them from coming out, and I'm not sure whether this piece just wore out or whether these screws actually somehow back themselves out from vibration. But you could see right here when I would turn this only the part where the screw was turning, but not the shaft itself. So to fix this, was actually able to torque these down. You see the stuff coming out of it now. I tightened both of these down. There's one on each side, and after I tighten these down, now the steering wheel is solid. Absolutely no play. This all before was just play, wouldn't even move the tires or nothing. Now it's all nice and stiff and in line with the shaft. So if you have this problem and the wiggle in your steering wheel isn't moving the intermediate shaft down bottom at all, then it may not be your intermediate shaft. It may be this upper bearing area. Take these covers off and check these screws, tighten them down, see what you get. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.